20 years, people must go to school. The children must go to work.
Only money that I want.
And to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
How much are you willing to spend to get the face, or rather the skin tone that you've always desired? Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But Bomkosi Kanyembao has always been known as a lady who would legit do anything to get the color of a skin that she wanted, or rather obsessed with changing how she looked. But Bomkosi Kanyembao was once a dark-skinned girl, but then because of the fact that she wanted to be a bit light, she underwent some surgeries, but Bomkosi, and used bleaching product that bleached her skin, and then she started becoming white day by day. Of course, Mzansi criticized her, but Bomkosi, stating that she looks like she does not love her black skin, hence she is trying so hard to be white. But Kanyembao being Kanyembao, she ignored all of those comments, but Bomkosi, and carried on with her life like nothing happened. Instead, she started sharing the products that she was using to assist other girlies who were obsessed with changing their skin color. Hi, Kesana. Last year, when we were least expecting it, Kanyembao revealed that she is now changing her face. Hi, again, Mzansi was shocked at how she looked, but Bomkosi, they were more worried that based on the videos that she was sharing during the entire procedure, she looked like an Asian lady. But Ibandla, people thought that it was because she was still swollen a bit and also in pain. When we saw the first pictures, Mzansi was still welcoming. They were okay. But the recent pictures and a video that is currently making rounds on social media, Ibandla, that does not look like the Kanyembao that we all know. People are saying that she now looks like Usima, one of Mzansi's influencer, and of course, Mrs. Mops from the Real Housewives of Durban, and also Imami's Club. People are stating that she looks different. She does not look like herself. And of course, I myself as well took a look at these pictures. Ibandla, Kanyembao did evolve, Batsandi Bomkosi, and I am wondering, how far is she willing to take it? Is it because she likes changing it, or it's the money that is allowing her to keep on changing? Because Ibandla, you can't change the way Kanyembao is changing. But when you have the funds to do it, Ibandla, you can always do it. Please do leave your comments down below. But why do people keep on changing how they look? Are they obsessed with looking a bit different? Do they feel like they are not beautiful enough? Ibandla, this is indeed a very interesting topic. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.